Trying to have a high productivity day in artwork, and so the apple stuck in the glass is still sitting there. I thought I'd try that on watercolor paper. Well, it's actually a sketchbook. And so first I tried to establish the glass with, you don't really paint the glass, you paint reflections and angles of the glass and whatever's shining through the glass. Then started the apple and, painting very cautiously. I'm trying to do a quality work here, and so laying down some of the tones of the apple, establishing shape and form, hopefully some depths we see. So it's looking okay, and work on the glass a little more, and this coming out not too bad. And so apple in a glass, we did a sketch the other day. It came out pretty nice, and now let's just see how good we can do a watercolor of it, and I guess that's how good. Art fun.